Syndicate Records.
And AJ from Astral Space and Rock Syndicate Records.
Today we're going to give you guys a little tutorial video, or I guess less of a tutorial video and more of an example of how we're able to utilize these custom drum kits from Vero Concepts. So let's get into that. Alright guys, so I have my Pro Tools session open. Today what AJ and I did when we recorded this song is we went ahead and utilized the custom drum kit, the Dark Abyss series, which is one of the three. So as you can see, if you look at the screen, the way I did it, just so you could see in each individual sample, is you have all of your overheads. You can see them, they just go down in order of the sample kit itself. And then you have all of your kick, snares, and rack toms and floor toms, obviously. And I went ahead and just kept them in waveform and basically just wrote them out just like MIDI in all of the spots that we wanted them. So to give you a taste of what that sounded like and what AJ and I were able to track today, I'll go ahead and play that a little bit for you right now. So AJ and I were able to track that portion of the song today. It's probably about a minute worth of material. Also, all the guitar tone that you heard was also part of an Rock Syndicate record endorsement. Ragnarok cabs. All the guitars you heard were tracked through the Ragnarok half stack that we have here, using the 11 rack series, both on the plugins, and we also have the physical, equipment right there as well. So I'm going to give you guys over to AJ, and he's going to show you another way that you can also utilize these custom drum kits.
So if you've got any kind of a standalone program designed for doing punching in your drums all digitally like this, if you can get to your drum set editor, everything is just drag and drop into creating your own custom drum set. From there, you can go in, sample everything, adjust your volumes, your attacks, get everything set exactly where you really want it. And then once you have it saved, let me adjust my volume quick. So So for that little section, I really tried to utilize a little bit of every piece of the drum kit, just so that you could kind of hear, what everything would sound like as far as adjusting cymbals, panning, and the attack on the snare. I really tried to play with that. The one thing that I really liked about the Vero Concepts high octane kit, which is what I used here, was the ease of putting everything in. Everything was literally drag and drop simplicity. I didn't have to change or format anything, and it really just worked hand in hand with what I was already using. So,
Hey guys, hopefully today's video kind of showed you the multiple ways you can use Vero Concepts custom drum kits, whether you're just looking for simplicity with the Rock Syndicate series rock kit, or if you want to go full death metal with the Dark Abyss series. Either way, you can utilize them the way I do, where I just upload the WAV files into Pro Tools itself and write them out like MIDI, or you can use them in a contact player, or like what you use,
drum site.
It's just drag and drop all of them in waveform. It's pretty simple. Even if you don't know what you're doing, it's still pretty simple. So if you guys are looking for just really good natural sounding drum samples, just to give your mixes that extra beef and whatnot, these are very affordable, and they will definitely get the job done. So
Absolutely.
Alright guys, check out Rock Syndicate Records, check out Vero Concepts, check out Astral Space. Other than that, keep it real. Peace out.